Hi guys, welcome back to another helpful video. Today we are featuring the Redmi Note 15 Pro Max. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix USB connection problems step by step. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Now let's get started.